had gotten to me a second earlier, I could have positioned myself better. Either way, I should have blocked him better than I did.
Here, Abe.
Thanks. Don't panic. We can still get back one run. Not again. Watch out!
Where'd he go?
Mihashi, here!
Yes!
Throw the ball! What the hell are you waiting for? Out! You stupid son of a... Time, Mom. Time up! You trying to give up this run? Why don't you get your head in the game? Easy, Abe. Hey, what are you so mad about? What took you so long to throw the ball home? Maybe Mihashi couldn't hear you over the roar of the crowd. That's ridiculous. Well, you should probably let go of it so we can get on with the game. The base runner on third was much bigger than Abe. So there. You didn't want Abe to get hurt in a collision. You dumbass! How many years have you been playing this game? You make me want to choke you! I told you I could handle physical contact! Stop thinking and just play! You're gonna lose the game for us! Abe, look man, I know you're angry, but... if I tell you to throw the ball, just throw it. And don't question me anymore. Good, glad we settled that. Now let's get this last out so we can win this game on our own terms. Chill, he's not mad at you anymore.
Thank goodness Abe hasn't forgotten about his promise to avoid injury. I need him behind the plate.
Okay, for the next 3 years I won't get hurt. I won't even get sick. I'll be behind the plate for every game you throw.
I didn't mean to question him.
Mihashi. Look, man, I'm not mad at you, so don't get so freaked out. And stop hiding behind them. I told you I'm not mad. Now listen. Have a seat on the bench and relax while we're up to bat this inning. You may have to pitch again. He's right. They have the lead, so if we can't score here, we're done for.